So, we will start from the anterior zone solutions. For the anterior zone, we have an outstanding solution, which is the Anterior incisor implant. So, as you can come closer, don't be afraid. The ARI design, which basically avoids a very long implant dental treatment, and you can do the restoration within 3 months instead of waiting for 2 years. So, ARI dental implant helps you to avoid GBR, to avoid bone blocks in the anterior zone, and eventually you can have your final restoration within 3 months. And if you know how actually the X-Speed surface works, so you can deliver the crown with the accelerated loading, which is 4 or 6 weeks. If we come another solution, which is the BDC. BDC means Blue Diamond Cuff. So BDC is the same concept as the ARI, just the biggest difference is it is made for the molar zone. So it helps you to basically to avoid the same thing, GBR, the bone block, and it helps the patient to get the final restoration within 3 months instead of waiting for the bone block to heal and to integrate for 9 months or 6 months. So once again, MegaGen is providing the solution to the patients through the dentist. I want to show you one prosthetic tool which will help to avoid the problems with multi-unit abutment fracture and multi-unit abutment screw fracture. So let's go. So what do we have for the prosthetic options? So this is new AXA Abutment, which means all-on-X abutment. So AXA abutments we were going to have for Anterior, for the Blue Diamond Cuff, and the ARI abutment. The most important thing what AXA abutment does, it gives you the strength during the retention between the prosthetics and between the abutment. So basically, instead of using the 15 Newton centimeters, you're using up to 35 to torque down the restoration on top of the multi-unit abutment. The second good thing is that AXA has the click-on phenomena, which basically helps you to identify that the restoration is fully seated and you don't have any problems with non-seated restoration, screw loosening, or the screw fractures. If we come here to our digital solutions, we see a big screen, we see an absolute beast. So this is the N3 chair. So N3 chair has the best thing in the world. It's a heating seat and it's the ventilating seat. So if it's on during the winter, you have a heating seat. If it's during the summer, you have the ventilation and your back is not going to glue to the surface of the chair. And finally, this is the best thing what we have. This is the Arthur Studio Q. It creates you the digital patient within 30 seconds, and you can source it out to your dental technician, to the patient, and basically it gives everything what you need for guided surgery, for guided prosthetics, guided implantation, and finally all the data what's been collected, you can transfer easily within seconds to the dental technician. So MegaGen gives you the best communication between the dentist, dental office, and the dental technician and the patient. It gives the best solutions to the patient. It helps you to avoid the massive reconstructive surgeries, and it gives the most predictable results. And we have basically all the data that you need to have in order to show that our products are academically inspired, clinically inspired, and has the best survival and the success rates when you can have. So thank you for coming and see you next time.